Today we are in Webb's Sunbridge community. As everybody knows, Webb is famous for their 55+ communities. Today we're going to take a look at the Prosperity model home that's here for you to tour. It can either be 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, but let's go inside and take a look at some of the features. So coming into the Prosperity model, there is a secondary bedroom and bathroom right off the front door. I got a funny story about that. My husband says that the guest room should always be right next to the front door so that after 3 days you can set the suitcases outside. And again, we have the flex room space that Webb really is putting into most of these models, no matter how big or small. Again, it can be closed off with doors to make it into a private office, craft room, etc. And then as you walk back through into this lovely, lovely great room area, this kitchen has an L shape with plenty of counter space so that you can spread out while you're making dinner. Nice kitchen island. Now, granite is included in all of the homes in this community, and big entertaining space. This house also has a really nice covered lanai. This particular one shows an extended lanai, which is an option that is available. But even the basic lanai is plenty of room to sit out, enjoy the sunsets, have a cocktail, have your morning coffee. The owner's suite is tucked back behind the living area. And again, it is a lovely, lovely space. Plenty of room for your king-size bed. Big windows across the back to keep the house light and bright. And again, Webb offers lots of different options to configure your master bath. This has a walk-in shower and actually little area for a vanity. You can configure it with the super shower or with a garden tub and shower. Always, always, always want to have those dual sinks for him and her. Separate water closet and nice closet area. Hey, peekaboo, what a great feature. You can throw your dirty clothes or your towels directly from the master bath right into the laundry room. How cool is that? So thanks for joining us today and looking at the Prosperity model. When you have questions, just give us a call. Hope to talk to you soon.